I'm Mathys. What you're looking at is a 1964 Beck 904 GTS competition model with the wide body flares. Chuck Beck originally designed the 904. The car was produced by Special Editions out of Bremen, Indiana. Kerry Hines, Randy Beck built the car. I didn't want to buy a modern Porsche race car or a modern track car. I wanted something that was unique, something that was real vintage feeling. And when I looked around, Special Editions and Chuck Beck and Randy Beck produced what I thought was the highest quality reproduction of a 904 Porsche race car. My first Matchbox car that I still have is a Porsche 911 RSR. So I guess Porsches in general have always been in my blood. This is a hand-built monocoque race car with a tube chassis on the back end. The engine is a 3.2 punched out to a 3.6 Porsche 911 motor. Aaron Hatz from Flat 6 out of Minneapolis built the motor. 915 transmission, modified with a differential spun on it so that it can be a mid-engine car. That was done by Rancho Performance out of California. The wheels were custom built by Randy Beck. They're Fuchs centers with BBS rims on them. It has Hoosier tires. It's got a race fuel cell in it. The seats were done by Stefan at GTS Classics seats. It has a full roll cage and a fire suppression system. So you're really hearkening back to the yesteryears when you're in this car, and it gives you that nostalgic feeling that I think any car guy would really want. It's got about 275 horsepower, which doesn't sound like a lot to modern day standards, but it's unlike any modern car that you're going to drive today. And the fit and the finish and the feel of the interior and the way the car handles and the acceleration will blow you away. The performance is incredible. One of the unique things that I did is I put my mother's initials as a driver on the rider's side. She was always really supportive of my passion for cars. I took my mother's maiden name, which is Hull, and we produced a racing team based off of the Hull family names. So for me, this is a dream come true to be able to own a car of this caliber. I can't afford $2.5 million for a 904 original, and if I owned one, I wouldn't want to put it on the track. This allows me to drive that car and live my dream and have a great time with a car that's a reproduction and a quality reproduction. That first drive was just amazing. As soon as I fired it up, I got chills.